Is on. And today is the 6th. Is it 6th? Yeah. Today is the 6th September 2020, and we are at a Sunday call Fun Aging. And all the
Good
DJC,
morning.
all the PES juniors that you, hi, good morning, Bindu. All the PES juniors that we function from. Now, this, I have been starting putting these on the YouTube, and you will only be able to listen to them there. So I will have to say what PES juniors and DJCCs are. So PES junior is PES, projections, expectations, separations, and junior is JR, judgments and rejections. So everywhere that you function from any of these, any time you project at others, you expect from others, you separate yourself from others. When you do projection and expectation, you separate yourself from others, you judge others, and you reject others. You have to. Because you are expecting something that they might not be able to deliver. So if they are not able to deliver what you're asking for, you have to judge them. You have to reject them. You have to reject your body. You have to reject places, people, everything when you're starting judging. When you're judging them, when you're expecting more from them, when nobody can deliver what you're expecting. Nobody can deliver all that you expect from people. So, and DJ.
Somebody waiting, someone?
I'm looking there also. Thank you, Mamta. Please keep looking. So, hi, Simona, Shikha, Nippy, Seema, lovely, Neera, Anuradha. Lovely to have you guys here.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. And so DJCC stands for decisions, judgments, conclusions, and computations. Everywhere you do any of these things, you are cutting off your awareness. You're not being the infinite being that you are. You're choosing to be finite. You're choosing to fit into this reality. You're choosing to do like everybody else. Become the sheep in the herd. Whereas you are the peacock. Whereas you are the eagle. Whereas you are the magnificent being that you can choose to be in every now moment. So everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, pod, online, short, boys, and beyonds. And this, what I said, this weird thing, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, pod, online, short, boys, and beyonds. When in the beginning I came, I said, oh my God, I'll never be able to learn these words. What did he say? What was it? What? Oh my God. And then I wrote it down, and then I read it many times. That's how we all do, right? We in the beginning, when we learning something new, we think it's not going to be possible. It's too difficult. But then it comes like this. Then it's on your finger, on your tongue, tip of your tongue, and you can just say it. How cool are we? We don't even realize. How aware are we that we don't even acknowledge? So everything that brought up for everybody, would you be willing to destroy and unclear it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, pod, online, short, boys, and beyond. So this is the clearing statement. Anybody who is not in access, this is the magic wand we have. This shifts the energy, changes the energy, dissipates the energy that we be in one particular moment. We are all energetic beings, and something somebody says or some thought enters from some weird place, we give it so much of importance that now it is taking us away from us. That peace, that calm, that ease, that joy that we are. It takes that away from us. Just one thought. Yesterday I was talking to somebody, one thought can make you mad if you may give it so much of significance. So at that time, when you're not being you, when your peace is running away from you, when you're not at ease, say everything this is. You don't even have to name it. You don't even have to decipher it. You don't even have to define it. You don't even have to go into what it is. You don't even have to know what it is. You just say out by saying everything this is, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, cockpot, honor, short, boys, and beyond. So if you have any questions, then let me know. Rajeshwari Najungaba is waiting. So guys, now the question Mamta put, can you repeat it again, Mamta, please?
I wanted to just expand you on generative energy and creative energy.
What I get is the idea that you get, is the enthusiasm that you choose to do something, is that generative energy. And creative is when you go into creation, when you bring all the elements in grid, like you sit in your room and you say, oh my God, I want to make kheer today. That is the generative energy. You go to the kitchen and you get all the ingredients to make it. That's the creative energy. That easy. Creation is bringing it into actualization, giving it a physical form.
Action.
Yeah. Creating something.
Thank you.
That's what I think. What do you get? If you get an aha listening to it, then it's for you.
Yes, yes. Generative, I thought it to be, it's a willingness to do something.
Yeah.
And creation, just in the action. I just wanted to make it more clear with you. Thank you.
Thank you, darling. So guys, any more questions? Renu is waiting. Indra is waiting. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. There is in a chat, somebody's written a question. Hi, Kamal and everybody. Hi, Nida.
Kamal,
Yes, please.
may I ask a question?
Can you be louder, darling? I can't hear you. As loud as
Can
me.
you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
No.
Hello? Oh, I'll
Good
type it out.
morning.
Renu is there?
Indra.
Renu का message आया है. She is waiting.
Renu's coming now. Yeah. Thank you, Mamta. So, now I can hear you, Indra. Go ahead.
Good morning.
Good morning, darling. Good morning. How are you this morning?
Very good. Fine, yeah.
Top at top. Yes, that's my girl. I love when Dane says, those are my people, that's my girl. So I start to repeat it. How often we just pick up things from people and repeat it, which feels yummy, which feels nicer. So please pick up only things that feel yummy, not because somebody is saying it and I look up to that person. Just do it if it works for you. And one other thing that he says, I just like to do it is, do a breathing right down to the cute little toes of yours. That also I like. So what do you people like? What brings you joy? What brings you happiness? Or you feel overwhelmed, helpless, and you try everything and you feel, oh my God, I can't do it. What do you do in those circumstances?
We let go of.
Yeah, just the way it is. Yeah, it is this. So, okay, now what? Thank you, Indra. Let go of it. Acha, so what does let go of it mean in your world? What does let go of mean in your world?
Not buying anything. Not making
So is it that you can't change it? Is
Of
it
course
that
we can.
is it that negative voice in your head? Oh my God, no, I can't change it. I don't know what do I do with this? Or you just, do you ask questions or you just let go? Letting go for me would be putting it under the carpet. Letting go for me would be not looking at it. It's like closing your
No,
eyes,
no.
like a cat closing their eyes when there's a dog around.
No, no.
So what is letting go for you?
Just a play. I feel that time. Just a play.
Just
Play, play. Yeah.
anybody could hear that?
No.
Drama.
Let go of the drama. Yes, yes, yes. So there are two, what's coming to me, what the download that I'm getting is lots at the moment. So what's coming to me is that it could be a feeling of hopelessness, lack of having the ingredients, lack of the courage, lack of going into overwhelm. No, like freezing, like not knowing what to do. So my question to you is, please go into what is letting go for you. So all of you, please, you can unmute yourself and let me know what is letting go for you. That's what came up. Yes, Ranjana.
Hi,
Hi, good morning.
good morning, Kanu. Letting go for me over here came as forgiving my own self for letting go of opportunities which came my way, failures which happened in my life.
So did you let them go, or you were aware they were not possibilities? They were opportunities. There is a difference between opportunity and possibility. Opportunities have those shiny, bright, luring you, asking you these advertisements on the news. I get at the moment I'm getting is those are the opportunities. You feel, oh my God, I could do that. But possibility is when you ask a question, will this work for me? What would my life be 5 years from now? And it lightens up your world. That is a possibility for me. And every opportunity may not be a possibility. So you have to be in Access, we say, be the question. For everything, ask the question. So, yes, Ranjana, you complete.
What you said now, like I'm able to discern yes, those were opportunities and what is possible was not to be seen to me at that time. So yes,
That also is a conclusion, my love.
the brightness was not there and what we see ना कि वो जो अंदरूनी एक्साइटमेंट नहीं थी वो चीज को लेके
हाँ, वो था कि वो मुझे करना है, वो चला गया, वो ये निकल ना जाए, वो मैंने क्यों नहीं पकड़ लिया, वो कोई और, वो that is not an aha thing. That is not what is.
Yes, and when my mom used to My mom used to tell me बैंक में तेरे को लगा के देती हूँ nurse. Nurse का तो हमेशा I used to say no, I'll never work as a nurse because maybe I was not able to see blood oozing out. But हाँ, I'm a very good caretaker. पर blood oozing तो मैं nurse का काम नहीं करूँगी. Banking I used to get afraid because I earned zeros in my maths. So that is why it was maybe I was afraid. But then after some years when I did some program, so I was getting 75, 80. And that's when my friend told me, your arithmetic is very good. And what then I identified after years, oh, my algebra is not good. वे जहाँ पे equations आता है ना convert, देर वहाँ पे कुछ सुन हो जाता है. पर arithmetic करना हो तो बराबर से हो जाता है मेरे से. So,
all these
yeah.
all these we work from. In this reality, we work from what I'm good at, what, you know, my son was very good at mathematics.
सुनना ये मैंने डाली निकाल
Sorry, Indra, you're saying something?
no.
Can you mute yourself, darling? Thank you. And he did engineering. He's, oh my God, this, that, and the other. And then after working for 10 months, he said, I don't want to do this. So actually, we do not know what we want to do, what we want in our life. Nobody ever asks us question when we are growing up. Nobody asks their children, what do you really want? What does it work? What makes you aha? What gives you joy? Can we all start changing that reality around us, within us, please? Because I heard Gary say that a few seconds of unconsciousness will create trillion years of crap. एक choice हमने unconsciously की है. Unconsciously means that's not what's not true for me. Unconsciously means I'm listening to somebody and choosing it. Consciousness for me means I'm going into the computation of if this, then that will happen. That's what we do. We do not go into the joy of what is possible. If we chose from the joy of what is possible, what would our lives be like? So we choose things by being drunk, not drinking, but drunk. Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, part, all night, short, boys, and beyond. So please, please, please make your choices from awareness, from consciousness. That means being in question. That means being in communion with the whole universe. And there will be a time when you will be like, yes. You wouldn't even need to ask a question. What am I really excited about? What is that 10 seconds of unconsciousness that I'm choosing rather than choosing the conscious being that I am, rather than asking a question? We go into, I'm good in maths, I'm getting good marks. Oh, this is what I want my life to look at. Oh, beta, this is the way it should be. This is the future you should have. When you have a job, the good paying job, then you good girl, married in good house, and then you'll be happy. How many times are we happy doing all those things? Really? So 10 seconds of unconsciousness can really, we have to live with it for years, with that crap for years. Am I making any sense, guys? So, tell me if there's any question. Was it helpful, Sanjana? Ranjana?
Yes,
Or
truly.
was it you or was it this piece, Sal piece? So both of you, did you get your answers? Please don't decide this is the
Well,
future I'm going to get. This is the future I'm going to make. Ask questions. Yes, Ranjana.
see, I interrupted when we were talking about letting go. So I think for me, when I feel that something is not, serving the purpose or whatever, so for letting go, I try to, cut my umbilical, how you just cut connection, I
Yeah.
mentally I cut connection. So there, anything that worries me stops affecting me. So I kind of protect my heart from any heartache or something, in the sense small or big or whatever. I mean, something which gives me uneasiness or unhappiness. I practice letting go.
Beautiful. Thank you for that. I would do the same thing. I used to do the same thing before Access, and
Mm-hmm.
now I have learned that anything that gives me trouble, anything that I've decided gives me trouble,
Mm-hmm.
has something has some gift for me there.
Okay,
Something else is possible there.
that's brilliant.
So everywhere I call everywhere anything that I call problem, I now
Mm.
get the energy of what is underneath that which is a gift for me.
Mm.
What if every problem was a possibility? What if you didn't
Mm.
have to change anything? What if you didn't have to throw anything away? What if you didn't have to not look at? What if you didn't have to whatever, let go and asked, what's right about this I'm not getting?
Mm.
You know, a friend called in the morning and she has temperature, and she worked herself up because nowadays
Mm.
there's a scare. So she worked herself up and she um, got into some kind of a panic. So if in Access we would ask, what's right about this we are not getting? What is the gift in this that I'm not getting? What is body asking for it that I'm not even listening? What if you don't have to change anything? What if you have to what if you have to get the energy of what contribution that thing is? Whatever it is. It's hard, it's difficult, it's temperature, it's COVID, we make it hard for ourselves. What if the things didn't have to be hard all the time? And this need for perfection, need for knowing everything, need for I should know everything, need for what is going into the nitty-gritties, the details of everything is killing us, guys. What if everything was for the joy of it? What joy can I have in this? I mean, it's silly. Kamal, what are you talking? Temperature and joy. तेरे को नहीं है ना, इसलिए तेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा. अगर तेरे को होता तो तेरे को पता चलता. That's where we used to go to. Before I used to go to. Before I would have gone into years back. I'm changing. I sometimes still do, and then I get, oh my God, what am I doing? Where am I going? Where is the question? Where's my question? doorway to possibility is
Hello.
right now. When you ask her, yes, who's asking a question? Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Indra.
Yeah, when we know everything is lies, but still we buy it, we make it solid, we love doing and then it becomes like a soft thing. Later on we realize that everything is solid.
Thank
Everything
you
is
for
a
saying.
lie.
Thank you for saying that. I know because we are learning. We don't know. We didn't
Yeah.
know earlier. Now we are learning. So, like you said, that after doing it, we realize that we did it. But if you
Yeah.
keep doing it, you will recognize that a time will come when you will recognize it in the middle. When you're just saying it, you will
Yeah.
recognize. And the time will come when you say,
Yeah.
when you will, when will you will recognize it when you're about to say it. And the time,
Yes. Yes.
and the time will come when you will never say it because you know there is a possibility there.
Yes. Yeah.
So give yourself, be
Yeah.
kind to yourself, be patient with yourself, give yourself space and time to choose whenever you are choosing. And whenever little thing,
Yeah.
even after saying it, when you come to know, pat yourself. Oh my God, how many people on the
Okay.
planet? How many people on the planet know what they are doing? They always think
Yes.
whatever we are doing is right.
Yes.
You checked
Yeah.
yourself even after saying it. If you recognize that, oh my God, I'm not going to choose this again, and
Yes.
you're asking the universe to help you, then you will know before you choose it.
Yeah.
This right now, you have the tendency to create it like this, to do everything the way we've always done it. But
Yes. Yes.
there is always a choice. So every choice that you are making now is creating your future.
Yes.
And in future you will have other things to change. It's not going to be one day that I will have nothing to do. No, you're growing every moment. Then there'll be something else. You sort one thing out and then the new thing comes. How much fun can we have?
Yes.
This endless need for perfection has to go, wherever it might be, because you can never be perfect, because you never know what's going on. It could be whether it is in the job or house or body or spouse or anything else. What if you were just choosing to be you at this moment with no judgment? How much fun can you have?
Yes. Yes.
What do? We stumble. We stumble on every day. We stumble on what we are going to have today. What if you knew that you want peace, you want the ease, you desire the ease, you desire the peace, you desire, so nothing can perturb you if that is your choice, if you are your choice for being
Yes.
you. then
Yes.
then anything that comes is, you have the tools, you change it. You don't get overwhelmed, you don't make anything significant, you don't make anything bigger than you. Guys, come out with your questions. Usha, what
I don't
happened?
accept myself.
Sorry, Indra.
Hello.
Yes.
I
what
don't
is-
accept myself totally. I don't accept myself totally.
Yeah.
Some imperfection, I don't accept it.
Yeah. So please, these are the 5 things. I will repeat it again. I say it in every call, I think. These are the 5 things you have to have for yourself. Honor yourself, trust yourself, be an allowance of yourself, be vulnerable and grateful for yourself. If you can have all these 5 elements for yourself, you can have it for
Yes.
anybody. You can have it for anybody. If you have a beautiful relation with yourself, you can have it with anybody.
Yes.
Okay, may I ask you?
Yes, please. I was waiting. What happened to Usha?
No, that one you said about 5 elements, that is honoring and all that. So, when we honor ourselves, we love ourselves and all that. Some of the other thing like, what you say, I'm a single parent, right? So whenever there is a friend, a man that comes and wants to be friendly like that, so there is another point of judgment in him, like I feel there is something that he wants to talk to me, for what purpose he's talking to me like that. So how to avoid that?
You
I
want
don't
to
know.
avoid the relationship, or you want to avoid him saying what he wants to say? What do you want to avoid? What is your
Avoid the
question?
relationship.
Why would you want to avoid it?
Relationship.
Why? What makes you avoid?
Yeah,
You don't
because
want a relationship. You don't want a relationship. And what is a
I
relationship?
had to.
Everywhere somebody wants to talk to you, you go in straight into bed with him. In your thought, is that what is true? What if it was just a friend, a boy and a friend? You don't even allow a plant. I don't like this plant. You take it out and throw it. Let the plant grow. See what gift that plant is to you. And then if it turns out to be poison, you can take it out and throw it. And if it flowers well, then you can let it be. We don't even give a chance before it can show us what it is. We go straight into, oh my God, I don't want this. Oh my, I don't want. Well, it's just a boy, it's just a friend. Hi, how are you? I'm talking like that, but I haven't been able to do anything myself. But maybe this is going to help me too.
Okay. No, I mean to say like, he's not clear to what he is telling. Like,
But are
he says,
you
okay,
clear? Are you clear? Are you willing to honor him also? If you're willing to honor me, okay, this guy saying hi to me, does it feel good? What vibes am I getting? If I wasn't going into my head, what does my body like? Does my body like sitting with him, chatting with him? Oh, it doesn't. So body, what is it? Instead of going into all the things before, only nothing has happened, just guys just said hello to you or something like that, and you go into a whole story. Sorry.
no,
So
I mean to say
there is
like
more to
we
it.
have,
I'm interested. There's more to it, guys. I'm interested. What is it? Usha!
no, I mean to say like, okay, if I talk, like, okay, then he will ask me, like I'm in access, he is not in access, right? So he is too deep in yoga, pranayams and all that. And then he will ask me so many questions that, how much money you have made from access? How much have you contributed to access? And then he asked me all that. He said, do you know Bhagavad Gita? Have you read Bhagavad Gita? If you implement that Bhagavad Gita in your life, everything will be smooth. I say, yeah, I have implemented. For the first Time when
Acha, okay,
after,
1 minute. Can I stop you?
yeah.
If you didn't have to go in justification of access, if you didn't have to go into justification of what you are doing, will it work?
That fear is there. I don't know.
What fear is there?
Fear that he will do something bad to me or what.
You get those vibes, or is that true? Have you asked a question? Is that true, or is it that my entrained head that's talking? Is that true that he'll do something bad with you? Come on, let's ask a question now here. Is that true? Is that true that he will do something bad to you?
No.
So everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy Nankirpa? Do you like sitting with him and talking?
Yes.
So, there was one story that Gary and all say. They say that unki ek kaam wali thi, I don't know what, somebody who was associated with them, Mary. In most of the books he talks about them, her. He says that they both decided wherever there was a conflict, they said we nurture, we honor our relationship, and this way, this is, I agree to disagree. So this is one point we will not discuss. And then they never discussed about that. So if this, what he discusses about it, what he wants to know, what is your awareness? To me, you said 2 words. The awareness was, he wants to know where you are. He wants to know your history, your story, more than what access is. Or he wants to tell, second, he wants to tell you that this is better, why are you spending so much of money? Right? So
Yes.
what if you said that whatever his name is, Ramu, Shamu, whatever, you can just tell him that, listen, this is what I wouldn't like to talk to. Let's talk about something else. Can you manipulate him into talking to something else? About the weather, about yourself, about the food that you eat, about the way you live, about what things you like. Can we talk about that? What
The
is
moment
the
I talk,
Sally,
the moment
yes.
I talk about the food, that what did you make, what did you eat, and all that, he said it's a boring chapter. Boring chapter.
Okay. So what can you find out what is what is he interested in? Okay, tell me what you are interested in. Simple question, ask, okay, tell me what you are interested in. Let me know what you are interested in. There are a
He
million
said,
things.
he
Sorry.
said you read a book called Alchemist. After you read, then we will discuss about it.
Haven't you read that book? I think the whole world has read that.
No,
And if I had to read it now, I wouldn't find anything in it. When I read it earlier, I think when I was hardly 30, 35 when I read it. And when I read that book, it was like, my God, it was the beginning, the first step. But now I know so much that that book probably would be okay. He is looking for a is he looking for a friend who he can chat with about what he does? What do you get? Yes or no?
No.
So what is he looking for? Is he looking for a relationship? And what would you like in a relationship? Does he have it? Ask questions, Usha. There's only questions will lead you to what it is. And if you feel nice being with him, don't cut off. Nurture the plant. See what it's going to go like. Nobody can take advantage of you. Nobody can do anything bad to you if you don't allow it.
Okay.
Nobody has the power to do anything to you if you do not allow it. If you cut off your awareness and you one day have decided he's very good, you cut off your awareness to see where he's functioning from, you are in for a surprise. And if you say he's
Kamal, can I?
bad, 1 minute, Ranjana, if you say he's bad, then also you cut off your awareness and then you would not see anything that's nice about him. What if you just had fun every moment and didn't go into future or past? That moment is fun. You're having coffee together. How does it get any better than that? What else is possible? We all go into
इसको थोड़ा
future. What if we didn't have to go into future? What if you were in the now, here and now? What is that creating? And everything that daughter for any one of you, please, will be willing to destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, pad, honor, short, boys, and beyond. Yes, Ranjana?
I can understand what her dilemma is, and if may I add something, it is a very
Yes,
typical
please,
case
go
of,
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
it's a very typical case of gaslight. Mostly many men have this tendency of controlling. So when we talk of controlling, they try and control. Whether it's partner or friend or kids or family or parents, whatever, by trying to say things, trying to make the other person feel that they are not good at this, they are not good at that, and slowly and gradually you start losing confidence in your own self and start saying, oh yeah, maybe I. So it's a very, I don't.
Can I stop you?
Please.
So, Usha, is that true for you? What she's saying?
Yeah.
Is he
What she said
gaslighting?
about controlling, yes.
Is he gaslighting you?
Yeah,
Yes.
exact. That's the word I have to use. Yes, I can feel that.
Is he gaslighting you?
Yes.
So do you like that? What made you invite that into your life? Have people gaslighted you in your life?
Many have come gaslighting like that.
So are you willing, if now that you're aware, are you willing to choose different?
Yes.
So would you ask yourself questions that is he gaslighting? And if you get a yes, then what next? What choices do I have? What possibilities do I have? You are already enough. You are what you require to be. You do not require to change for anybody else. Are you willing to believe? Are you willing to believe that you are the gift the world needs? Just the way you are. Just the way you are. No matter who you are, no matter where you have been, no matter how that what you're choosing, what you're being, you are the best you are. And walk around.
Kamal, I have a question.
1 minute. Walk around the world feeling like you own the world. When you be that energy, nobody can gaslight you. They only people gaslight you because you are a prey. You are easy prey for them. They will try, they are who they are. They will try to gaslight anybody who is willing to be gaslighted. Start to ask what's right about me I'm not getting. Let's all, at least women, fight the unworthy epidemic that we are living in. Now more than ever. And everything that brought up for every one of you, please would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, honest, short, boys, and beyond. Yes, Ranjana, you wanted to say something.
Thank you.
Now okay, fine. So once we have realized that so person is gaslighting us, huh, and that's not right. And
What is right and what is
if
wrong?
you are,
There is no right, there is no wrong. That's what he
right,
is and
right.
that's what he's
Okay,
choosing. It's not right for you. Yes.
right. So okay, so we understand that it's not right for me, okay, and you know that this is not going to work, but how to handle your emotional turmoil, you know, when you are, you know, this is not right, but still you are emotionally attached, then how to handle that, how to move, how to break that chain and move ahead?
You tell me, how will you do that? Because I'm
Because
not
you
in there.
know
I would
that,
not know.
you know that, I don't know.
Why you don't know?
It's not actually, it's not,
the first
I'm not
step.
talking about my
First step.
personal case.
1 minute, Ranjana. First step, you know that you are being gaslighted. That is amazing. Pat
Okay.
yourself. Many people who are being gaslighted don't even know that. So recognizing that, acknowledging that is the first step to going forward. Now, will you be, if you know it, would you allow yourself to be gaslighted?
No.
Then that's the choice you make. No. Anybody, anything is saying, you don't have to confront, you don't have to make them wrong. You're not choosing that anymore. If somebody says you're stupid, say, shut up. Who's stupid? Not me. You stop buying into what people say. You start choosing what works for you in every now moment. Can a person gaslight you? No. When you're aware, can a person gaslight you? No. When you're aware it's light, can somebody say it's dark? No. Only when you're willing to cut off all your awareness and listen to that person and say, oh my God, raat hai to raat hai, tum kaho din hai to din hai, all Indian movies. Or you have any example that you want to let me in, and maybe we can then say what's going on in your head.
No. If you're talking about, I mean, I was just trying to understand her case, and I was just
One
reading about
minute. Do not
Okay.
do not understand anybody's case. Don't stand under
No.
anybody.
No, do we have to only discuss personally? I'm just trying to understand the human psychology, because we are in a process of a conversation and discussing. What I want to understand is that
Does the human psychology always work? Has it worked for you?
No.
Where do the humans
No.
function from? Where do the humans function from? From right, wrong, good, bad, positive, negative, correct, incorrect, unworthy, worthy. Has it worked for you? So can we have our own reality, please? Can you have your own reality, please? Which might not be exactly the reality anybody else has. Are you willing to have your reality? What works for you, no matter what, no matter
Yes.
if anybody comes along or not.
Kamal, once you finish, I have something to say about this.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Can I add something over here? Like what?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, hi. Great to see you on a Sunday morning.
Yes,
So
yes.
Kamal, I was also being gaslighted when that awareness came to me. So what I checked with myself, where was I gaslighting myself? In the sense, where was I making myself less? I'm diminishing my being, everything. So I did a lot of work on myself. And once I came into my being and my importance, and me being the most dominant personality in my life, and I did not allow anybody to gaslight me. But for that, first I had to check where I was actually making myself less than anyone else or any situation.
Exactly. Beautifully put. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So it's once you get that you are being gaslighted, you can change it. You can choose different. You can say no to it.
How to say no to that gaslighting for ourselves? How to change that?
You tell me an incident, then I'll tell you. There is no, like I think Meera explained it beautifully. Get where you are gaslighting, being gaslighted. If you get that I'm being gaslighted here,
Okay,
it's just a choice away.
um, at my workplace, I am gaslighted that you will not get it, or you don't know anything, but
Is
others
that
know
true? Is that
everything.
true? Is that true? Is that true? Do you think
Yes,
that of yourself?
yes,
Do you think that of yourself?
because they never inform me.
My question is, do you think that same thing about yourself?
No,
You think you know everything? Or you have bought into what they said that you don't know anything? In one corner of yourself, do you tell yourself that, oh my God, I don't know this? Truth.
yes, I don't know.
So,
Yes,
so if you say that
true.
you don't know, that is the projection that you are, that is what you are, the energy that you are being, the vibration that you're being, and then they can do anything to you. That's what I said. Only people who are praise, easy praise, people will gaslight. They will not gaslight me. They will gaslight only people who already are gaslighting themselves. So are you gaslighting yourself by telling yourself you're not good enough? So would you be willing to get out of the wrongness of you? How many trillions of years have you been doing that to yourself? Is it time to say, okay, I am here and no more of this shit? I am here, I am a gift on the planet. I am the creation. So there has to be something great and right about me. Now what can I choose and create? What can you do to change the world around you? Everything around you is mirroring you, guys. So it's nothing about others. It's all about us. Whatever we are creating in our world is because we are choosing not to be the brilliance, the phenomenons, the magic, the miracle that we truly be.
In
Just a,
Kamal,
yes,
in fact, can I add something now? Okay,
yes.
you finish first. Yeah.
No, I finished. Go.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So even those people who are ridiculing, putting you down, actually they're a gift. They brought that awareness to you that okay, somewhere you are gaslighting yourself.
Exactly.
Everything that's happening is actually a gift.
Exactly.
It's a gift. And then yeah, and so what I can just give one practical tool how I sort of got it actualized it in my world is I put it on a loop. what's right about me that I'm not getting, and what gift am I that I'm not getting to me and to the world that I'm not getting, and what choices can I make to create greater for me, and all that. So I put that on a loop for maybe 30 days, and then awarenesses started coming to me that I'm just enough, I'm brilliant, I'm everything, that I'm that magnificence that I'm looking and seeking. I'm already am. But it came
Yeah.
to me when I repeatedly said all these things to myself.
Exactly. The power of loop and the power of 30 days, 30 times is magical, guys. Take one clearing and say it 30 times for 30 days. It's magical. Thank you, Neera.
Naira, can you just revise that?
Sorry.
What did you say?
Can you say it again?
You can
What's
see it in
right
the
about
recording.
She wants to write it down.
I can give it to you, but like what?
Can you write
Yeah.
it in
Okay.
the
So
what's
what's right about me that I'm not getting? Oh, write it. Okay. I'll just write it in the.
No. These are just 2 lines. Just say,
Yes,
what's
thank
right
you.
about me I'm not getting, and I'm a gift on the planet.
What's right about this?
I'm not. What's right about me I'm not getting?
What's right about me?
Yeah.
I am
And
not getting.
when you
And
put this
then-
on it,
and then one more?
and what's the gift I am in the world or on the planet or whatever. Neera, that's it, no?
One more is, there is 3, right? What's right about me that I'm not getting?
Neera? No,
And
I
then
think there were 2. Where's Neera gone?
what's right about me? What gift am I?
Oh no, I'm just putting it on the chat. I'm typing.
Okay.
I put 2 questions and putting the third
Okay.
one on the chat.
What
Yeah.
gift
You
am
can copy
I
it from
to
the
me
chat.
and the
Mine.
world that I am not getting?
And to the world that I'm not getting.
Mm.
And you have to repeatedly say it. And now that I'm aware, what choices can I make to create greater, for me? So I'm just putting that.
Okay.
Thank you, Neera. Thank you, Usha, for asking the question. And this will eliminate
Thank you.
this will eliminate and eradicate the past. So you get out of the story. So you get out of the story that you are stuck in. When you just keep repeating these, or when you keep putting it on a loop, it clears the energy, clears the shit that you have stored in your subconscious. You are actually creating possibilities through eradicating the history, the story, the past, the stuckness. It's brilliant.
I also say, Kamal, I say a lot, what miracle and magic am I that I'm not acknowledging? मेरे को भी याद आ गया एक और. I say that a lot.
Yeah. Whatever works for you may not work for the other. So choose what works for you, Usha. What brings a lightness to you,
Yes.
that is the clearing. That is the clearing that you. There are million clearing. There is no end to clearings in Access. And there are some that will pop up for some, and there are others that will pop up for others. So please choose yours. And whatever pops up for you, that is true for you. So any more questions, guys? It's 9, so we can take one more question, or we can say bye-bye. No more questions? So time to say bye-bye.
Kamal, you are a true gift to us.
You are a gift. Each one of us
You are
is
the
a
true gift to us.
Neera, each one of us is a gift.
Gift, that's right.
We need to recognize that. Thank you. I will take that. as a compliment.
Yes.
I am
Naina,
still
that one is about magic and miracles. Can I have it?
I've written in the chat.
written there in the
Can you
chat,
look at the
darling.
chat?
Written in the chat.
I've written
What
4
magic and
questions.
miracles am I?
Yeah.
Wait, am I?
Okay, guys.
That
So have a lovely
I
day,
am.
Okay.
and we meet on the. And this
No.
recording will be on the group. Sorry, on the
YouTube
YouTube.
channel.
And all of you have subscribed. I hope.
Yes.
If you haven't, please do.
Yes. 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 And thank you. Happy Teachers Day. I was busy yesterday. So I said, that's fine. I know my wishes have gone to you, Kamal. You've been
Yeah,
a great teacher to all of
No,
us.
thank
Yeah,
you
thank
so
you.
much. So much. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
very much today about gaslighting.
Yes.
Everyone got that
Okay.
gaslighting start.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Usha, for
Was the
bringing
one
it
who
up. Yeah.
started that. Thank you, Ranjana. However you.
Yeah. Thank you, Ranjana. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
so
Bye,
much.
folks.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Love you all.